Good morning, y'all. Don't know if y'all watched that on Facebook or not. Good morning, y'all. What's up, YouTube? It is race day. It's a little cold this morning. Everything's froze. Let me show you. Check this deal out. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So we are on our way, or we're getting ready to be on our way to Cherokee Racepark in Rogersville, Tennessee. It is beautiful right now, but supposedly there's going to be a storm rolling in, and hopefully we can get some runs in. That's what we're hoping for. I wanted to go somewhere I've never been to. Friend of mine with another YouTube channel, Nightmare on Your Street. Go check them out if you haven't already. I'm sure you have. And they are hosting an event. And there is my beautiful wife. She looking like a snack this morning. And Whitey's loaded up. Haven't touched it since we went to Motor Mile. Just been crazy with work and things. And so we're trying to get some passes on it today. So we're going to head, pick up Jimmy, and we'll be good to go. What do you think, Jen? Yeah, you try to sneak by. Try to sneak by.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Getting in the truck because it's freezing.
It's cold out here, ain't it?
Look.
Whitey's froze up. Alright, sounds good. Let's head towards that track. Come here, Say. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Say, mate. This is my buddy. This is my buddy. You're awesome. You hold down the fort, okay? You be good? You be good? Okay. Alright, we got one more person. One more person. Just say what's up!
Clearly.
We good? Alright, so we stopped in the shop real quick on the way. So we met our buy-in with True. I guess it's called True Motorsports. And we are official dealers for the Smooth Stage, which is pretty freaking awesome. It actually looks like a electric guitar pedal. So it's very easy to dial in, and we actually haven't gotten to test them yet, but from what I understand, these are really good to get your staging with a boost control or a boosted car, turbo car. And so we are official dealers of those now. There will be one in the Zephyr, and if I like it a whole lot, I may do away. Well, my leash is got the pulse built in, so I'm not going to do that. But the Zephyr's getting one, and so we got a couple of friends who are getting them now, and so yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited to have them as one of our brands that we offer at KOTV Motorsports. So, am I in the frame, Jen?
I mean, there was a second you weren't.
Was there a second?
Yeah.
Or was it mainly can you even see the top? Can you even see my head?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, so we are still on our way to Cherokee Racepark. Cassie's still waking up. Jenna's good, and she's having a good time. She's gonna have a good time. She hasn't been to a racetrack since what? Wilkesboro? Did you go to Wilkesboro with me this? Yeah. So that was the beginning of the year. First race of the year, so you're going to get the last race of the year. You haven't been to any in between.
I'm pretty consistent.
You're consistent. That's it. So, I hope the weather stays like this. It will be amazing if everything just dissipates. There's a storm supposed to roll through. I'm hoping it smacks the mountains and decides to go away and veer off one side or whatever, because it would be awesome to get some racing in. So,
Here's the turnaround. I think you missed the bump.
Shut up. It's not my fault that this truck is bumpy now, and if you can hear, the new tires are crazy loud. They're stupid loud. So, alright, let's go pick up Jimmy now, and then we'll get onto the racetrack. chick. What are you doing?
Hi.
So we're out here. Cherokee Racepark. There's a bunch of awesome cars here. I've seen some of them before, and it should be a good time. What's up? Yeah, he has seen a dirt bike, and now it is the end of the world. I'm actually going to throw the drone up in the air and see what everything looks like, and hopefully I don't get in trouble. You think I'll get in trouble?
I think you should
Just make sure that it doesn't fly away. So
we need a bigger.
should be a good time.
Try not to.
Let's go make a hit. You want to?
Yeah, sure. Not taking up time.
You ain't afraid somebody run off with sharks and stuff?
No. If they run off, what's up, man? Did he give you some ice?
Yeah, I
Are
did.
you trying to get some ice off of Andrew the entire time? You're rock.
I'll put it on your trailer.
Can we just ride it there?
He still almost caught him up, you know. Challenger's not bad either.
Alright, so a couple nice test passes. Andrew's made some nice hits. We are waiting for our class to be called, but it is not looking so good on this weather. I'm gonna go ahead and put our shirts up, things like that, and just be prepared. So, because we've got a good hour till we're gonna run, and as you can see, it's not looking good. It's actually sprinkling right now, so hopefully we can get this race, but it's not looking too hot. And Jenna's not happy with me either, so.
UG joiner, you're needed in stage lanes.
Total waste of time.
UG joiner, you're needed in stage lanes.
I'm picking.
Calm down, Pastor.
Rooster, you calm down.
Calm down, you can.
I nicknamed your son Rooster. That's
Rooster?
I'm gonna call him for.
What do you want?
I want a Nella milkshake.
A Nella milkshake?
I love you, Rooster.
You can call him Rooster now?
I love you, Chicken Rossi.
What do you think, Gene?
Giant waste of time.
Man, Gene.
But you're with me.
I mean, it was fun. It was a fun trip down. Now
Be
it's
a fun
raining.
trip back.
Be a fun trip back.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll have fun. All right.
See.
Let's go see if I can get some money back. All right, so it is the next day. It's weird out here. It's like sprinkling but sunny, just weird. And yesterday was awesome. I had a good time. Whitey did pretty good. Went like a 6:19 at 114 on less boost than it was at Elk Creek or Motor Mile, so it did pretty good. And didn't get to run the classes. We had 12 in our class. It was going to be extremely awesome, and just, didn't happen. So sucks, but it is what it is. We had a good time though. My family had a great time. Andrew with the S10, he actually won a personal best, I believe, and so getting that truck lined out pretty good. It's fast and it's awesome. I really like that setup. Andrew's a super smart guy, and I'm learning a lot from him actually, a lot. So yeah, today is we have no power currently at the house, which is awesome, and so I'm gonna try to edit some videos and get this stuff out to you guys. I really appreciate the support. It's literally awesome to hear people say that they've watched the videos and stuff, and so it's pretty cool to go to a new track and be around different cars that some of them I had seen before but hadn't seen in a long time. Ed Pierce old car, Mater, was there. Adam Hamilton's car, Wiley Cody, I think, was there. I got to see some cars that I've only seen I didn't even know they would be there. I mean, there was a turboed Colorado there. There's some pretty cool stuff. It just sucks that didn't get to see much of it run because of the rain. The rain set in right before the classes. We had 12 people, and it was in our class. And I mean, that's a good car count for something like that, especially with like pending rain and stuff. So it was awesome. I still had a good time. Got to make a couple passes, and so we will be back there. We will be filming some more there. It's really awesome. If you haven't already, go follow Nightmare on Your Street. They have a YouTube channel. You've probably seen them if you're on here. Go check them out. They've got some different videos going on, and they're from around like the Bristol, Tennessee area, in Virginia, and somewhere down in that range. And Cherokee Racepark is right in Rogersville, so it was pretty cool. I definitely enjoyed that track. It's a different setup, but a very nice layout when it comes to parking. And the track is not laser flat. It's not perfect, and in a no prep situation, the thing is going to be just sick. It reminds me a lot of places like Elk Creek and Katy Dragway and places like that. So pretty awesome little spot. So if you ever get a chance, run down there and race some stuff. So it's pretty awesome. Oh, it also reminds me of English Mountain. It's a lot like English Mountain too. So it's pretty cool to get new tracks that are not very far away from us, so that we have options whenever it comes to testing for stuff that we like to do. So that's going to be it for today. Probably going to hook up some propane and stuff like that, and clean this place up a little bit, maybe. I don't know. It's a lazy Sunday, so let's get it done today. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.